Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Tide, where powerful industrial crushers take destruction to a whole new level. Watch as they crush everything from metal to cars in seconds. These machines don't just recycle, they demonstrate pure industrial strength. Every time I see a truck hauling crushed cars, I can't help but feel a sense of loss. Each one once represented someone's hard work, years of payments, pride, and dreams. Now all that effort reduced to twisted metal in a matter of seconds. Take this once luxurious 1988 Cadillac, for example. Once a symbol of success, now just scrap beneath the crusher's relentless power, destined to be reborn as something entirely new. The VTN Scrap Shear CUR 7000 is a powerful hydraulic machine engineered to slice through heavy metals like bulldozer blades with ease. The immense force applied to its cutting edges and connection points is astonishing, like watching an adult man effortlessly rip through a sheet of cardboard. It's a true display of raw industrial strength that never fails to leave you amazed. Watch as these colossal machines obliterate everything in their path, from small scraps to massive chunks of metal. With hundreds of tons of crushing force, they reduce solid steel into fine fragments within seconds. This is recycling pushed to its absolute limit. Pure power, precision, and destruction in motion. Watch as this beast of a machine mercilessly crushes an entire car with effortless power, compressing it into a flat slab of metal, ready for the next stage of recycling. This is no ordinary piece of equipment. It's the embodiment of industrial might in motion. The future of recycling begins right here, where raw strength meets precision engineering. The Rotochopper 75DK is an absolute torque monster. Its dual shaft synchronized cutting system, powered by a 375 horsepower diesel engine, works in perfect harmony with a dual planetary gearbox that delivers an incredible 177,000 foot-pounds of torque. Built for high-throughput grinding, it tears through dense and stubborn materials like C&D waste, utility poles, and cable spools with unmatched efficiency and power. Get ready to witness the power of precision in motion. The HD motor grinder isn't just another machine, it's a true metal-crushing powerhouse. With unmatched strength and blazing speed, it takes grinding performance to an entirely new level. Watch as it rips through the toughest materials effortlessly, proving what real industrial power looks like. The Okote Technica Orca S5250P is a masterpiece of efficient engineering and high performance. Compact in size yet uncompromising in power, it's designed to maximize productivity while minimizing space. Its vibrant green and yellow finish gives it a sleek, modern appeal, but given its impressive throughput capacity, running 2 units in tandem might be the perfect setup to handle the sheer volume of vehicles being processed. Step into the future with the All-Nova 95DK shredder, a powerhouse built for strength, speed, and efficiency. Powered by an advanced CAT diesel engine, it delivers outstanding fuel economy while maintaining relentless performance. Whether it's massive vehicle bodies or tough, unyielding metal, this machine chews through it all with precision and power. The All-Nova 95DK isn't just a shredder, it's the next generation of industrial crushing technology. Pre-processing crushers, or prayers, are engineered for efficient material breakdown, handling everything from metal and plastic to rubber and other components recovered from end-of-life vehicles and scrap. Designed for speed and precision, these machines process large volumes of material in minimal time while preserving the integrity and recyclability of each component, ensuring maximum recovery and efficiency in modern recycling operations. Engineered for peak performance, the Viber 78 boasts a powerful drum chipper system with adjustable blade configurations for optimal cutting efficiency. Capable of handling timber up to 60 centimeters in diameter, it connects effortlessly to PTO drives of 110 kilowatts or higher. Built for large-scale wood processing, the Viber 78 delivers unmatched reliability, productivity, and precision in every operation. Have you ever wondered where old mattresses end up? With advanced hydraulic systems and high-torque motors, these powerful machines crush and compress thick mattresses into compact, manageable sizes. It's an impressive process that makes recycling safer, more efficient, and environmentally responsible, giving discarded materials a second life. No wonder it ranks among the biggest two-shaft shredders. The VZ950DK rolls forward on its tracks, crushing cars with brutal power. Its T-blade design cuts energy use by about 15%, and the smart auto reverse clears jams instantly for smooth, non-stop shredding. Just look at that opening. nearly a meter tall, big enough for trunks that smaller chippers can't handle. If one is too thick, they split it and let the machine do the rest. With about 750 horsepower driving the blades, it chews through around 380 tons in 10 hours. Work that once took entire crews now gets done by this one machine with calm, steady power. At Bessler's, a self-service salvage yard in the United States, visitors remove whatever parts still have life: engines, seats, alternators, at a low cost. All fluids are drained first to protect the soil, and the remaining metal heads straight for recycling. Watching the operator peel wires with such ease shows how real skill can make tough jobs look effortless. It looks powerful, but honestly, it feels risky. With no guard in place, that spinning drum could grab a hand in seconds. Hope he adds safety shields before trying bigger logs. Ever wondered how a full-size car turns into a compact cube? The Bromberg R5 makes it look easy. Its 145 horsepower Perkins diesel engine and powerful hydraulics deliver up to 200 tons of pre-compression and 195 tons of final force. Cars of any size fold into tight, uniform bales, and in under a minute, a new block drops out. Pure power, fast cycles, and perfect consistency. Imagine the hardest part of a car, the engine. Thick steel, solid gears. Most machines struggle, but here the shredder just keeps pulling. Powered by 221 horses across 3 hydraulic drives, it bites and twists until nothing's left in the chunks. Battle looks unfair. Let us know below. Type 1 if you found the video interesting, or 0 if it was boring. Watch as the BS 6000 crushes massive tires with ease. Powerful hydraulic drives tear through rubber, turning huge tires into small chunks in seconds. Sparks fly and metal parts bend as this machine shows unmatched strength. Built for speed and efficiency, it makes recycling large tires effortless. Witness the raw power of engineering in action with every crush. Nothing stands in its way. Every car enthusiast has to see this. A Peugeot 306 with a side pipe and a Volvo 240 with a welded diff, both going full throttle in the field engines, screaming. Which one will last longer? Place your bet. The Blue Devil doesn't just crush, it frees metals. Aluminum, copper, and steel get exposed for easy magnetic or sensor sorting. It may use more energy than baling or furnace feeding, but the result is much cleaner metal fractions. Truly modern technology. If the silo was a century old, that excavator felt like it was half its age. Precision swings and steady pressure made it fold exactly where intended. A true display of skill. Notice what's missing. The GMC RTS2 bus has no windows, its engine already removed, and all valuable parts pulled out before it even rolls forward. Engines can sell for around $2,500, transmissions another $2,500, and HVAC units over $2,000. Only the empty shell goes into the shredder. Once a proud symbol of New York City streets, now it meets its end as scrap, showing how even legends eventually return to raw materials. At a hometown charity event in Nederland, Texas, This beast stole the show. A 2002 Duramax on 54-inch boggers with military axles proves that raw diesel torque can transform a pickup into a true monster. A Dodge Daytona once wowed crowds in the 80s. Now it's just another feed for the Primax shredder. Rims, differential, frame, nothing slows it down. No matter the stories a car carried, it all ends the same. Crushed into scrap, a bit sad, but that's the cycle. Feels strange seeing a perfectly good copier shredded, right? But that's recycling. It's cheaper to crush everything first and sort later than to repair each part individually. A couch may seem sturdy, but against the Comar Alger shredder, it's nothing. Watch as it tears and compacts the entire sofa into dense waste blocks. Brutal yet highly efficient destruction. Watching the X-Tech 3600S shred tires is satisfying, but it does feel a bit underpowered. Some say it's only using a fraction of its 500 horsepower, which might be why it handles solid metal better than flexible rubber. The cleanest yard I've ever seen. At Delta M in Piacenza, the powerful hydraulic press shows why Italy excels in engineering. Loud engine, smooth hydraulics, crushing scrap without the mess, all thanks to a smart process.